Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely beautiful Triumph Bonneville Bobber Black. Here we have a Triumph Bonneville Bobber Black. This is a 2017 bike on a 67 plate with just 5,330 miles and a good service history on mileage. This bike is in excellent condition and is quite heavily accessorised. As we will see as we go around, you've got the mudguard removal kit or the tail tidy there with the LED indicators. They're the genuine Triumph LED indicators. You've got the quilted seat there. Standard exhausts, albeit they are finished in black and then wrapped with the exhaust wrap, very much part of this scene. Then you've got the various engine embellishers. You've got the exhaust manifold flange there and the throttle body cover and the throttle body embellisher. We've also got the accessory engine embellisher there. Loads of accessories on this. Every time I look there's something else. You've got the LED indicators on the front of the bike and those bar end mirrors. No damage to the bar end mirrors or the bar end or the lever itself. All the gaiters are in great condition and there's no stone chips or damage to the forks. The front wheels, no corrosion, dings, dents, scrapes or scratches, and the front tyres, loads of life left in it. Got the short front mudguard on this bike as well, and there's the LED DRL headlight. The left-hand side of the bike, that's as clean and tidy as the rest of the bike. You probably noticed the bike's been somewhat debadged, albeit there is a very faint sort of alternate black Triumph logo on the tank there. But the bar ends and the levers and the mirrors on this side absolutely unmarked. Of course, you do get ABS, traction control, and a couple of rider modes, rain and road, on this bike. This side of the bike is very clean and tidy as well. Again, there's all your engine embellishers there and the engine cases, no marks on those. Likewise, the exhaust, there's a tiny little spot on the end of the exhaust there, but it's easily done with these matte black finished exhausts. The rear tyre's got loads of life left in it as well. Coming up to the top, the petrol tank there, as we already mentioned, has been debadged. We've also got the clip-on handlebars on this bike as well. Not for everyone, but I happen to absolutely love this look on this bike. In fact, when I had one of these, I had the clip-on handlebars. We have got the standard handlebars if you prefer a more upright riding position. You've got the Triumph heated grips as well there, as you can see, and cruise control. The clocks are adjustable, as is the seat, so you can put those in the position that you want to make it a bit more comfortable for you. So if you're after a modern classic in the bobber style, it's a great alternative to a Harley Davidson 48. Looks absolutely fantastic. You should definitely consider our Triumph Bobber Black. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. Fantastic. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful bobber, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We're delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.